So today I'm going to show you how I can create an admin panel template for you guys to make everything simpler, even if you're new to coding. Before we start, please, disclaimer, I'm really sorry when I hear like a kid. I don't really have a proper kid. So we can continue. 3, 2, 1, go. So, hello, and let's create our admin panel. So first of all, let's create our admin panel setup. So we can go to start GUI later, but let's create our setup. Go to subscript service and insert a module script, call it admin panel setup. Up, go to subscript service and add a folder, call it admin panel. Admin panel. Template is your choice what you can call it, I'll just call it simple. So admin panel and add the admin panel setup to that folder. I'm sorry, one second. So I need to close everything. Just the player services. Do that. So we will continue on here. So add local events equals game. As a matter of fact, no replicate sort. As a matter of fact, while I'm doing that, I'm without any events. So let's go remote event. As a matter of fact, call it admin panel. So I think so we need admin panel, so replicate storage. Replicated storage equals game get service replicate storage. I think so I have to close my door. I'm really sorry, guys. Close the door and you can continue and do replicate storage. Okay, you guys added the replicated storage. That's good. That's the local events. Event equals replicated storage. Sorry guys, I can type. Wait for child event. For panel. Okay. So we have the base up ready. So local commands equals game get service players. So why? Because some commands are local command list. Command list equals commands. Wait, I can tab. Wait for child. Players and commands. So we can we'll just do that a bit later. So let's do the setup command with the start GUI because I am like a bit, So let's go to start GUI, screen GUI, and call it admin panel. You can call it global admin panel. I don't know. So it's your choice, as a matter of fact. Admin panel GUI. Good. So we have the admin panel GUI. Let's add an image label, image button. Sorry, I can talk. I cannot talk. Put the image label there. I'm going to do that. The image we'll just get from here. As a matter of fact, I will just change it like this. Do it like that. Do it like that. And add another image. Let's add an image label. Go to the image label. And that is called as like that. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna add my own image. So I add my own image. So don't get copyrighted, kinda. So let's add our own image. So I'll go with that. And why can I not do that? Okay, good. Add a UI corner and a UI stroke venom. UI stroke and UI corner, and let's add a text label. Text label and call this into a global admin command. Text call it global admin commands. Global type add commands add font face. I want to zoom font face. Sorry, I can't type. And add a thread go card 1. Add a background. Contrast speed to 1. And get the text color. Get text. Sorry. It's the blue. I think the blue is good. And add a UI corner. As a matter of fact, UI stroke. This is the admin commands, global admin commands, and yeah. So I don't really need any admin commands. I want to see how people fight with it. So we test. So this is it should be like that. So this should be admin commands. 1 second. Really that? This is too up. So I think I need to take this interlead stuff down. You know what? It's not a big deal. You know what? Yeah. So let's add the admin commands. Let's add a little scope. Call this command managers. Commands manager. Call it commands manager. That's good. So local events. As a matter of fact, we'll duplicate search. I'm so done. Duplicated. Sorry, I can type. Storage. Equals game. Get service. Get storage. So we have a panel GUI. Sorry, I can't type. As always, GUI. As a matter of fact, let's call it UI. Local events. Get the events. Equals sorry. Clear storage. Before shell admin panel UI. Sorry, I can't type. And panel GUI. If it's that correctly, then this should be an error, so we'll do it. Panel UI. Should fix it. Sorry guys, I can't type today. So also that. Local players. Yeah, we need some services, so local user I can type. Oh shit. Input service equals that. Local commands. That's the local command. Local commands. It's equals game. So get children players, because we need the get children. Get children players. So we have the get children players. So I hope so. What we want to do now is get the commands, local commands list. Sorry. commands list equals that. Kick equals to kick equals to kicks a part from the server. Ban and add another script inside of it. Rename this into admin panel configuration. Good. We will continue that not today, so I'm really sorry. Commands manager, admin panel setup. We will continue with that. Commands list, local commands, plus game, wait for child, players. It was commands shoot. Yeah, commands manager. Equals to ban equals bans. Can type bans a player from the game. I think so, yeah. So you did it from the game, and I think so. So, you know, bans the player from the game. Fly equals fly player. So let's do local kick. So let's do local fly. Fly command. Underscore command equals game equals player. As a matter of fact, user input service. As a matter of fact, we need players. We need the player service, so I think so we cannot help. This user input service is not really correct, so let me think. Here we need the local players. Equals game gets a player. Players did that. Good. Players. Wait for sure. Humanoid root part. So that we're not for enough, and yeah, I think so. This was the first part. I don't have really much time and the patience. I hope you guys liked the first part. We will just do the basics that we can continue later on. I hope you guys liked it. I will continue without video because it's better. I can give you the command, the template itself really fastly, and I hope you liked the video. See you next time. Bye.